I built my own Android app in just 2 days using AI tools, and honestly, I didn't even know mobile development before this. Let me show you exactly how I did it and how you can build your own apps too. So here is the thing. I always wanted to a simple Android app to track my daily goals, like planning my day with the time slots, tracking what I completed, and staying consistent. I have not found any application search as per my requirement. So I thought, why not just build my own? So I built my personal goal tracker app. Let me quickly show you what it does. You can select a date from your calendar, add goals with the time slots like a 6 to 8 p.m. study, even set goals for multiple days, mark tasks as completed, see your daily and monthly progress, and the best part, it reminds you before you task. And if you miss the tasks, it motivates you at the end of the day. Basically, a simple app designed exactly for my life. Now, here is the crazy part. I didn't build this the traditional way. I used something called vibe coding with AI. Hello guys, this is Nabi and welcome to my channel Nabi AI Studio. I will be explaining the AI tech concepts and AI latest updates in very simple and easy manner which can be understandable by the all age groups. If you like my content, please subscribe, like and share to your family and friends. So without further delay, let's jump to the video. First and foremost is you need to get an idea or use case. And then you need to be list out what are the requirements for your application, how you want it to design, and what are the features it needs to have. So those things you can list it out and you can give the ChatGPT and refine it more so that you can get to know the what are the tools and technologies and tech stacks it requires, and also it guides you how you can build it. So you need to be refine it more and more so that how much you refined it, it gives a better ideas to you. After multiple times you refine your prompt, you will be getting to know that the best building plan for your application. Then the next step is you need to be design your application UI. I have tried for UI designs with the different sites, but finally I found few websites that is rocket.new and Google AI Studio and Google Stitch. Here in the Google AI Studio and Google Stitch are free, but Rocket dot new one they are charging. They'll give the few credits. With the few credits, you can design and you can get some idea of the outliner. But if you wanted to code and if you wanted to integrate to the GitHub, you need to be take a subscription model. So, however, so you can ask the prompt for the UI design as well for the ChatGPT. It will give the prompt like this. Simply, you can copy and you can paste it into the Google Stitch. You can select the app over here, and simply you can paste the prompt over here. And once you hit enter, so it will give the design to you as like this. So based on this, you can refine it more furthermore. What is the exact UI looks like and all. You can refine it and you can ask prompt here with the further more details and all, so you can get the best UI design over here. I generated all screens like a calendar screens and task screens and dashboards with these tools only. So once you refine it further, you will get the best design looks over here, and then from here you can view the source code, more options, or you can see the source code over here, or else you can export it to the Google AI Studio, and from there you can build it for furthermore. And here if I select the AI Studio and build with the AI Studio and here you can implement the application for furthermore. But this part I have not taken up, taken the source code from here and I have given to the anti-gravity, and anti-gravity builds the for further logics and design aspects. Once you're done with the UI design, the next step is coding with AI. This is where actual magic comes. I use tools like Antigravity, Cursor, VS Code, Android Studio. These all tools have AI copilots built in. So instead of writing everything manually, so you can ask what you want and AI generates the code, and then I tested and adjust the code accordingly. So let me deep dive into these things how I have done it. So first thing, I will be asking ChatGPT to give me the prompt to build the entire application with the help of whatever UI I have created in the Google Stitch. Then the ChatGPT has given me the prompt. Then this prompt I have copied and I pasted in the anti-gravity, and then anti-gravity started building up with the help of whatever I have given the UI things and all. So along with that, this prompt I will be passing to this. Then anti-gravity started building the application based on the prompts and UI HTML pages what I have given. So then I will be refining for further more that you can see here I don't like the design, redesign the entire application again. So here I will be asking the multiple prompts like I have don't like the design and you give me the design like this and all. This prompt also again I have taken from the ChatGPT itself only, that I have asked the ChatGPT that I don't like the design and give me the effectiveness and all. Then ChatGPT has refined the prompt furthermore and it has given me the again refined prompt. So that prompt I have pasted here. Then ChatGPT has reviewed that prompt and again it adjusted the screens and logics everything accordingly. So before that, so it has given me the solution. Then the APK file it's been generated. Then that APK file I have installed my mobile and have tested it. And during the testing, I have found that a few things are not working. I have taken screenshots of that and I have uploaded and asked again that. So new some options are not working and new goals add this date picker and all some additional requirements I will be telling, and fix issues also I will be telling. So these things I will be telling to the anti-gravity. So again anti-gravity will be checking on these issues and modifications, new things and all, and it corrects the logic again and given me the updated solution. And like this, I will be testing multiple times. It is giving me the APK file. I will be testing it multiple times in my mobile. So this is how I have tested it. But here, let me be honest, it was not smooth at the initial. The app crashed multiple times. Some AI generated code didn't work. Sometimes one change broken every time. One big lesson here I have learned is never blindly trust AI code. Always review and test whatever it's been generated and build it. And here one more thing also, I don't know how to build the APK file. I will be asking its anti-gravity itself only build the APK file. So it will be building the APK file and it is generating. It is showing me actually where it is and all. So I have taken that APK file, installed into my mobile with the developer options, and then I have tested over there. So whatever, as I said previously, right? So I will be raising some issues and all with the screenshots and all. So I will be telling that what is the issue and what are the features it needs to be improved and all. So anti-gravity used to build and fix those issues. So I would like to share some of important things I have learned in this vibe coding journey. Always use git push your code after every stable version. AI tools like anti-gravity has a limits on free tokens and it runs out of quickly. So here the trick is use multiple Gmail accounts. So here you need to be sign out and you need to be sign in again once your model's token has runs out. So don't rush, take a small steps and test frequently. Don't give entire logic or all issues at a once. Most of times if you give like that, so these models will confuse and it will mess up the existing logics and your application may have a lot of chances to get breakout. For me also, even though if I have given this one, so if I ask to fix a small issue also, so sometimes it crashes my application. I have retries and I've got some frustrations too. But after seeing my application runs on my mobile, I was so happy. And the best part is, I built something for myself, exactly how I wanted it. Also, one more tip here is for UI designs, use the Cloud Code and Cloud Opus. For small issues, fixes, and all, you use the Gemini 3 Flash. For complex logics or complex features add up, you can use the Gemini 3.0 Pro or low versions. So as I said previously, if suppose if models got exhausted, so the keys exhaust the key sorry the token utilizations and all you can see over here. Tokens runs out, So obviously it will be getting refresh after 5 days. So you can wait for 5 more days accordingly. And then after 5 days, again, you can try with these models. Rather than that, what you can do is you can sign out over here and you can sign in from the other Google account, and you will be get fresh tokens again. And with that fresh tokens, you can restart it. So let's say suppose if you wanted to start enhance a new feature or fixing a new bug, so always go with the new conversation so that your model will not be considered the previous history. If it considers the previous history, again it will consider as a tokens burns out, right? So always go with the new conversation as I said, and whenever your model got exhausted, you can sign out the existing account and sign in with the new fresh one so that your tokens get refreshed with respect to that account and you can start using of that. So if you are thinking like I don't know mobile development, that doesn't matter anymore. If you have an idea, you can build your own app. Start with small idea and use AI, and you will be learning as you go. The idea could be for your child or your business or your dad's business or for your personal purpose. Could be anything. So the idea behind to create this video is to make a awareness that you can also build your own applications if you have a idea. But to me, if you wanted to take this as a productionize or if you wanted to sell it out to the other business purposes or to other clients, until unless if you know the better understanding on the tech stacks or code whatever the vibe coding has given, so you will be ended up with a lot of issues at the production level or at the real time level. So have a better idea, so have a go through the entire code level and then you hand it over to the your clients. If it is a personal purpose, then that is a fine. If you are building for your client purpose and you don't know the mobile development, and better my suggestion is you get some understanding on basics and all, and whatever it has built, you have a one more eye check on whatever it has built it and all, how it has built it, then you can proceed to the client handover. So that's all from my side. If you found this useful, like the video and comment me in the comment section that what app idea you have, and subscribe for more AI and tech contents, and maybe your next weekend project could be your first app. Thank you. See you in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.